हेलो बच्चों, लेट अस स्टार्ट टुडे एक्सरसाइज 13C. In this exercise we will learn about cone. Cone is an object of the shape like this. It is at the top corner and it is at the base, circular base. Example would be like birthday cap and ice cream cone. These are two examples you can take from daily life. And here regarding this conical shape we will learn some things. This will be called the radius of the base. This is height of the cone and this is called the slant height. This is noted by letter L. H is the height, R is the radius. Radius will be definitely at base because only base is circular. This is the corner point, vertex of the cone you can say. Now L is called the slant height, SLANT, slant height. This slant height and these three quantities are related by the Pythagoras theorem, that is L square is equal to H square plus R square. This is the formula connecting these three quantities. If any of the two has been given, third you can calculate from this formula. Now as usual in the previous exercises, there would be curved surface area, CSA of the cone, that is pi r l. It is noted by pi r l. And then total surface area, this is pi r l curved surface area plus pi r square area of the base. Formula will convert to take pi r common, L plus R. This is formula TSA. You can also understand this, you can also use this, but as a formula this will be. Now volume of the cone. Volume denoted by letter V, that is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. This is the total formula for the exercise 13.13C. Now let us take some questions of the exercise. First question is given: the area of conical base of the drum is this much, height is now find the volume. In previous class I have told you volume formula for volume is also this one. Area of base, whatever the base given, what is the shape doesn't matter. If area of the base has given into height, you will give the volume of the object. In this case area A has been given 44 meter square, height has been given 2.1 meter, then volume will be equal to area into height. Area is 44 into 22.1. Now multiply this. 44 1 ja 44, 4 carry 88 or 4 92 1 decimal meter cube. This is the answer. And if radius of the base and height would have been given, then we would have used this formula. Let us take randomly question number 5. I will discuss some questions and others you will solve. The height of the cone has been given 7, its radius of the base is this much, find the volume. In this question height has been given 7 and radius has the base is 3 centimeter. These two specific data is given which are in the formula. Then V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. It does mean 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 3 into 3 into 7. 7 would be cancelled, 1 3 will be cancelled. 22 3 is 66 centimeter cube. While unit of volume is the centimeter cube, unit of area is meter square or centimeter square, unit of length is only centimeter. In this way you can solve the questions. Let us take question 9. Randomly I am discussing the questions. The ratio of the heights of two cone has been given 4:3. Volume of the small cone this much, volume of the new cone. Now the height ratio, the heights has been given. H1 upon H2 is given 4 is upon 3. Now H1 is 4 would be considered, H2 is 3. You should conclude from here that H1 is greater big cone and H2 is the small cone. And volume of the small cone has been given, means V2 has been given. V1 you have to calculate and V2 has been given 462 pi centimeter cube. Now for the purpose of solving this question, V1 would be, now you calculate V1 upon V2. V1 is the volume of first cone, means bigger cone. This would be 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Then you should write same base, means radius would be the same, height is different than h1, and 1 upon 3 pi r square into h2. 1 upon 3 pi would be cancelled, r would be cancelled. V1 upon V2 is equal to h1 upon h2. This is the relation coming. Now V2 has been given. V1 is the bigger cone and V2 value of V2 is how much? It is given 462 pi is equal to h1 upon h2 is 4 upon 3. Now V1 is equal to 4 upon 3 into 462 pi. Now simplify this, it will be cancelled, I think. 3 ones are 3. Just a moment, I am telling you. 3 ones are 3 1, 3 5 are 15, 3 4 are 12. This will be 716 pi centimeter cube. This will be the answer. Actually this type of question has also been given in the previous exercise 13b somewhere. The basis of the solution is the same, but in this exercise there is little more formula discussion for the cone has been done. The questions would be solved on the basis of the cone. Lot of questions, 36 questions are given here, and simply formula based question you should solve, and some technical whatever you could solve you should. Now some technical questions we are to be discussed. This I will take in the classes. When your classes will resume and you will be coming in class, then I will explain those. Then today you solve the questions on this formula basis. The straight way formula depending questions you have to solve, and technical questions no, this time no need to go. I would take those questions in the classes. Thank you.